Welcome. If you're looking to join a community on the Roblox app for PC after the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step, making it easy for you to connect with other Roblox players who share your interests. First, make sure your Roblox app is open and you're logged in. If you haven't installed the app yet, you can download it from the Microsoft Store or the official Roblox website. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on More. This button opens up additional features and settings that aren't immediately visible on the main dashboard. From the expanded menu, select Communities. This is where you'll discover a wide range of player groups and themed communities. Whether you're interested in game development, role-playing, or just want to meet new friends, there's a community for almost every interest. Now, browse through the list, or use the search bar to find a specific community that catches your eye. You can check out the community's description, see its members, and get a feel for what they're all about before joining. Once you've found the community you want to join, click on it to enter its page. Inside the community page, you'll see a Join Community button. Click on it, and just like that, you're a member. Depending on the community's settings, you might be added instantly, or you may need to wait for approval from a group admin. That's all there is to it. By joining a community, you can participate in exclusive events, chat with like-minded players, and enjoy a richer Roblox experience. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks to make the most out of your time on Roblox. Happy exploring!